Hey there, my friends, 𝐸∞ here, and I am here with another video on email processing system and how a newbie or a beginner can make money online fast. Okay, so again, email processing system. I'm so excited about this system. I can't wait to show you what it's helping me do in my income. I just feel like the income processing system is something that everybody should have as an income generating machine. To help them put money in your pocket, because it's an instant pay program. So let me get right into it. So if you don't know what email processing system is, stay tuned, because what I'm going to do is quickly go over what email processing system is, and then I'm going to show you how email processing system helped me make $50 per day. All right. So what the email processing system is it's an instant pay program, meaning that when you get commissions, there's no middleman. It's paid to you. It's paid that day. All right. So it's wonderful. So the way it works is with the email processing system, you place ads on social media. We give you the ads. You don't have to create the ads. Of course, if you want to tweak them or whatever, go ahead, knock yourself out. You can do that too. But we give you pre-written ads that you copy and paste. This is a copy and paste new person beginner program. All right. So we teach you where to place them. We give you the ads. What's going to happen is targeted leads are going to start coming in and checking out your website, and a portion of them will buy from your website. Okay. We will create you a website, and you have the option of getting one of those for $13, a high converting one for $13. And then what happens is when people buy from your website, the money goes straight to your PayPal. Okay, instant cash. All right. Now, once people buy from you, your job is to process their email. How do you do that? All right. You're going to welcome new team members to the team and give them their digital purchase, which is the pre-written ads, the training courses, and access to our group. Now, with this program, there are no monthly fees, no auto ships, nothing like that. And you can make anywhere from $25 to $100 per transaction. All right. So if you come in at $25, you're eligible to get $25 commissions over and over again. If you come in at $50, you're eligible to get $50 and $25. If you come in at the $100 level, you're eligible to get $100, $50, and $25. All right. So that's how it works. This is super simple. All right. You know, I just have to say that sometimes people fail online because they don't know what to do. They didn't have the training. They didn't know what to do. They didn't know how to advertise. Well, we take care of all that because we give you the pre-written ads, and then we tell you where to post so that you could start promoting this program and making money. Now, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not like, you know, you do nothing and money's going to come in. You have to promote this program, but we show you how to do it, and it's so simple. Like, oh my gosh, it's so simple. So let me show you. Let me get right into it and show you my results over the weekend while I was asleep. So over the weekend, I actually did not promote over the weekend at all, and I had a $100 commission come in, and I had a $50 commission come in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you proof of that in my PayPal. So this is my PayPal, and I had a $100 commission come in. Of course, once PayPal takes their little fees for whatever, it came out at $96.80, and then I had another person who came in at the $50 level. Of course, with the fees, it was $48.25. So I made about almost $150 in 2 days. Okay, so this was the 21st, and this was the 20th. Okay, so $100 and then $48. So at the rate that I'm going, I'm averaging about $50 a day, so one sale a day. And I know that as I get more consistent with my advertising, I will be averaging $100 or more a day. This is a super simple program. All right. So what happens when you join? All right. When you join, they're going to give you access to your advertisement so you could get out and start getting results like these. You can start promoting. You're also going to get plugged into our training group so that you could learn what you need to do step by step, and you could get support that you need. All right. And then you just go out and follow what we show you how to do. If you can copy and paste, you can make $50 a day or more. That's it. So what I want you to do is, if you're watching this, I want you to check out the comment section below. There'll be some information on how you can contact me and how you could get connected to this program. and how you could go out there and start making $50 a day or more with email processing system. All right, here's to your success online. Bye, guys.